Shubor nagaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Kajala Meghalaya, Kumbakalapaw, Halor ka Jingdon jong ki Jakabam, Bapher, Kamtam magani ka juk ka baminta. La saki biang baka way ni kidukan bam kabatmay, yang kabalatip kum ka Mountain Whisper, kabadan ha RR Colony Renja, la Plie ba, yeka mentakasngi ka tarik unok pra arajar pulai, haringkat ka Jingdon nye ki Jingbam ki babonjay. Yagani kadukan la long tera da Faiz Khan mat kadon harut surok hajan ka jingking umpling. Haga jingelang ka balingkot haswaman Plie ba yagani kadukan la don langru ki reurang ba haringkat ki bahaying hasem ki parlok parajor ki balawan ban ai minsim bat penslur ki samla ban sengkam lajong. Kendiat syapang ka Jingsngewtynnad jong Faiz Khan mat ka ka Pynurlong uban Plie ye gani dukan harangkat ki Jingbam ki babunjaj kadai bahaus nam arajar puar hadin jong ka Jingkangdam bat namar bo ulong ubreu ubas Ngewtynnad ban le ye ki lai teli ki jatkam ni ki bentah ka Jingim bat kita kilong ka bam ki surjing ruai bat ka kot ka khia kumta ula perkat ban Plie yagani kedukan kabalong kalat bat kabenta yaki breu bakin wan ban mat yaki Jingbam bat ruban sngap yaki jingruai laong bayo Faiz Khan lakha haslong bat kikimi kikpa bat kipait mi jong uru ki dei ki balawan song nado ki por ki ba menshwa hadin bala im yaki Jingim shabar jong ka jilla kapen perkat ye ban lum yaki tum kitam ban wan pai biang shashlong nakabenta ban sengkam ladi kabalong ka way nakikam kiba ujus Ngewtynnad Shishu hagni kasngi la donru ka kinhon tem yakabala tip kum ka retrosage kaban penbernya yaki ba ban wan bam lingba kisur jingruai.
So my name is Faiz Khan, living in Shillong now, staying in Rinja. My mother, Shonali Khan. I'm a music producer. I've written a few albums, and my mom is doing some work.
So hi everyone, I'm Shonali Khan. I work for an international non-profit and we work on education with children. But here more I am as Faiz's mom, helping him actually start off his restaurant, the Mountain Whisper in Rinja. We're super proud of him. He's a musician and this is his first entrepreneurial venture. So we are here to support him. Over to you, Faiz.
Yeah, so basically we came here. Actually, my mom is from here. She's born here. She's raised here. So most of her entire family.
Yeah, actually my grandfather, his great grandfather came here nearly 100 years ago. He was a lawyer.
100 years ago now. He settled in jail. He was fought for civil rights and law for the Khaji community. And my grandfather was in the Air Force. And my mom, all her siblings, they were all raised here. So there is these strong roots. And I myself never had the experience and the time with my grandfather because he passed away before I could meet him. But his dream was always to come back. He was traveling so much. He moved, he moved around a lot. So they had to eventually sell off their land here and move. But he, I think, had that regret in him. But after some time, I think that feeling of coming home came back to my mom. And then she also wanted to come back, but then she was so busy with work in Delhi. So after COVID, I myself was lost. I didn't know where to. I didn't know what to do next. The music scene was not as vibrant as it was before COVID. So I decided, where do I go? So my mother gave me this amazing advice. Why don't you go and see your roots? Why don't you go and see your hometown? So I came in and immediately I felt the sense of, this is the place for me. The people, the culture, the history, my family history, all kind of came back, and I felt like my grandfather was kind of welcoming me back home, and and I've always had a passion for food and music, and I want to create something here, to have that, to show our history, our family history, such a strong history we have here. So, I just spoke to some people, some family members from this amazing place, and it just clicked for me. So this is why we started this restaurant.
Thought to open this restaurant?
The thought was, I am a foodie. I love eating. I love all kinds of different cuisines, especially Chinese cuisine, things like comfort food. And I feel like the Shillong Chinese is comfort food. The taste, the flavors, they remind you of home. I feel like. So that was the idea. I originally wanted this, like a gym and health food. I wanted to start a center, but then I realized, let's just focus on one thing for now, and that's how I came up with this idea of, let's just start giving good food, food that's made by people here and things that people love. So that was the initial thought.
And today also we have Retro Sage, the band that is playing. They're a local Khasi band. They're just amazing. You'll hear them. They are going to perform from 2 o'clock. So the vibe here is a place where people can enjoy. They can enjoy the food, the local music. Faiz is also planning to create this as a community space. So we have pop-ups, but of young local entrepreneurs, like homegrown. They can enjoy the food, the local music. Faiz is also planning to create this as a community space. So we have pop-ups, but of young local entrepreneurs, like homegrown chefs, homegrown bakers, people who, and these plants today are all done by someone who is doing her own plants.
She does her own plants. She curates these things. So we want to help the community grow and thrive
and be a shared space, and it's a big space. So, and it's, it's very accessible, it's not crowded. When you go into Live Hukra and all, you can't even go in. But here, it's a wide
about
road.
making the ancestors proud. There's that history, that heritage, and I feel we have that responsibility.
Yeah, but also be modern and modern. Look at what young people are doing today, like Faiz, musicians, young people who are trying to find themselves, in this time. So, as his parents, we are trying to help them.
My message is simple. My message is that live in harmony, live in peace, accept other people, try out new things, come to our restaurant, have some good food. That is my message, is to spread joy, happiness, and to fill up their bellies with some good food. That's my message.
Okay, Faiz.
And enjoy some good music as well. What I'm trying to do, I can't speak for everyone, but I can say that I've hired all local people, Khasi people from La Palan, Jayal, Lower Mokran. I've hired people from all over, and that's the point, is to generate employment. That's what I want to do. Generate employment, give more jobs to people. As much as I can, I'll do it. Next year there are more plans to open maybe a little pastry shop, maybe another mountain whisper. So that will generate in Shillong. And so that will generate more, employment. That's as much as I can do.
And also the band today is a local band. Everything you're encouraging, the cake, everything you see, as much as possible,
it's all
you should be
local.
promoting
Local products.
local products. You said the right thing, local products.